Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 纸 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write 纸 纸 finger 指 to point out, to point at 指 to depend on 指出指出 to point out to indicate Now check this sentence. She pointed out to us that there was little chance of success. She pointed out to us. Pointed out to us that there was little chance of success. She pointed out to us that there was little chance of success. 她向我们指出成功的可能性很小。她向我们指出 pointed out to us that 指出成功的可能性很小。成功的可能性很小。他向我们指出成功的可能性很小 little chance. She pointed out to us that there was little chance of success. 她向我们指出成功的可能性很小。指 in cursive. Finger to point out, to depend on 指出 to indicate, to point out. She pointed out to us that there's little chance of success. 她向我们指出成功的可能性很小。指 Please comment any sentence with the character 指 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.